Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and Unstoppable Domains is running a promo this weekend where you can get 30% off a brand new Unstoppable domain, crypto domain, when you use CryptoPay with the Crypto.com app. A lot of cryptos in there, so let's get started. All right, so Unstoppable Domains, if you haven't heard about it, is where you can buy your own crypto domain, which is stored on the blockchain. I'm going to run over to Unstoppable Domains. All right, and so if you want a new crypto domain, all you have to do is search for it here. You'll need to get yourself set up with an account before you purchase it, so you might want to handle that first. I'm going to go ahead and get myself signed in. All right, so once you've got yourself an account, which is just an email address and a password, you'll go over here, you'll see that you've got yourself signed in. So basically, you'll want to search for a domain, first of all. Okay, so find a domain that looks interesting to you and see if it's not taken already. Some of them are taken. Some of them are reserved. If it says reserved, you'll probably want to just get on the waiting list for that and contact them directly and just kind of let them know who you are and why you want that particular domain. They just don't want squatters. So you've got a pretty good chance of getting the domain if it says it's reserved. All right. So I've got one here that is available. I'm just going to click Add to Cart and I'll hit Continue here and I'll choose Checkout. Now what I want to do is go over here to the Pay with Crypto.com app. All right, and I'm just going to launch my Crypto.com app on my phone. All right, I'll just open up my Crypto.com app, go over to the home screen in the bottom left corner there, and then up at the top there's a Pay icon. So I can just tap that and open up CryptoPay, and then among my choices there are Scan up along the top there. I'm going to choose Scan. All right, so we'll just click that button there. All right, and then we're going to get that QR code, and you'll see that it's only going to be $28 instead of $40. So that's a considerable discount. So we'll go ahead and scan that in. All right, and then it's going to bring up the interface there, and then you'll see that it comes up, and it's going to be $28 in your Crypto.com app, and you can choose any of these cryptocurrencies to pay. But I'm going to use CRO because that gives me a rebate on my purchase back directly into my Crypto.com account. So I'm going to hit Continue to Review. I'll go ahead and confirm this transaction. And there we go. I got 28 and I got my rebate right back from Crypto.com into my CRO. So we can go back over there. We can go to Accounts. Go to my Crypto.com coin and just scroll down a little bit and you can see that I got 8.226 crypto rewards back, right? I got a 10% rebate right when I made the purchase back into my Crypto.com account. That made my domain purchase even cheaper. So pretty cool stuff. All right, so that's it. You can get a really cheap Unstoppable domain at a 30% discount. And in addition to that, you're going to get a CRO rebate when you use CRO to make your purchase in the Crypto.com app. So if there's any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.